We're in Cadillac, Michigan. I'm sharpening knives at random. I got an assisted knife here. I'll show you it is a little bit dull. Oh, it does have some bite to it. You squeeze them in there tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back, so it puts the original edge up, takes the original as sharp as you can get them. Start bringing the back of the knife up a little higher as you do it. Hit them on your strap. Take you right into shaving sharp. They're quick and simple, anyone can do it. See here. American made, I'll sharpen any blade. The Block Sharpener. Come visit us at theblocksharpener.com. How did it do, buddy?
Really good.
Really good. Thank you. I'm doing these 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. If you guys got your knife, I'll show you it works too. Carry your knife on you?
Water.
All right. On a roll now. An Imperial. Oh, this one's super dull. Huh. Watch this. See that? Squeeze them in there nice and tight. Draw through. Keep the pressure on it. As you get sharp, start lighting up. I'm going to do it just a little bit more. It's getting in there now. See that? I did these in the show today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. We're made in America, lifetime guaranteed. We do put our last name with our website on our handle. Use them on kitchen knives, hunting knives, fillet knives. Anyone else carrying a knife? I'll show everybody it works. It's American made. I'll sharpen any blade.
That'd be fine.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Anyone else carry a knife? Show you it works. That's yours. Use a little oil on the rods. That always helps. Thank you. Got your knives, guys? I'll show you the work. Got a knife?
How are we doing?
Here we go. Here's another one. Thank you. A Gerber knife. Oh boy, another real dull one. Yeah. Squeeze them in there tight, draw your blade through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they pick up on the original edge. Works the original bevel back in any style blade. Use them on kitchen knives, hunting knives, pocket knives. They will adjust to any edge. They're quick and simple, anybody can do it. I'm dropping these down. Here you go, buddy. Dropping them down, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Got your knife? I'll show you it works.
I'm not carrying it.
No, not today. Well, you buy a new knife, bring it on by. It don't cost you nothing. We just show you it works.